This is the intro to Long Hair Pretty Nail Show. Yeah.
Give it up for the notification squad. These were the first 3 comments in my last video. If you want a chance to be featured, make sure you hit that notification bell and come show your girl some love when I drop a new video. And today's featured comment goes to Serenity. She's so silly. Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back. So a few weeks ago, I tried out a new nail lamp and nail drill from Melody Susie. These are available on Amazon, and I just wanted to come back and do an update on these for you guys. So I will be doing a fill-in and design change on these nails. These are the Burberry inspired design that I did, I believe 2 weeks ago. And now it is time for a design change because I'm bored. But if you guys haven't seen this, I will link it down below. Alright, so first I need to do my nail prep, and this is the nail drill. It has the power switch and the handpiece sits in the center like so. I have my medium grit safety bit attached to it, and I do like that it has the drill bit holes at the top. This is where I keep my most frequently used drill bits. This ceramic bit here is from Melody Susie. They sell bits as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and switch that out and take off my gel polish. And I'm going to switch the rotation of the drill. Since I'm working with my left hand, I have to go in reverse because that is just what I do. So I'm going to drill off all of the gel polish. And today I'm going to be using Glam & Glitz Princess Cut. This is a beautiful glitter acrylic. And of course the clear. I also use the dark ivory, which is the same color that I had on before, and I will link all of these down below. So I'm also applying my primer and dehydrator. These are the ones that I use. I will link these down below as well. Alright, so I'm just going to start off with a bead of the dark ivory acrylic, and I'm just going to do my fill-in on my pinky nail. Just a tiny bead. I don't really need much. For my ring fingernail, I'm going in with the Princess Cut Glitter Acrylic, and I'm going to apply that around the cuticle area and just do a nice ombre blend with that. And for the middle and index finger, I'm just going to use the dark ivory acrylic and just do a simple fill-in on those. And for my thumb, I'm going to repeat the glitter ombre that I did on my ring fingernail. And once the acrylic dries down a bit, I'm just gonna encapsulate the glitter nails with clear acrylic. And this is just so I can file and shape these without the glitter coming off. All right, so this is after all of the acrylic is dry, and I'm going to do my shaping and filing. And as always, I like to start off with a hand file first. And once I did all my hand filing, I'm gonna go in with the medium grit safety bit and work that around my cuticle area. And this is what I like to do to make sure that area is nice and flush. One thing I love about this nail drill is that the hand piece is smaller, so I feel like I'm able to get a better grip. And it just works really well. I don't have any problems with it getting hot or overheating, and it's worked great. I've been using this every single time I do my nails since I've had it, and I don't have any issues. With that being said, it is giveaway time. And I decided to do a giveaway for the nail drill. I will be giving away a brand new Melody Susie nail drill. I'll order it from Amazon and have it shipped to you guys, so it's going to be brand new. The rules to this giveaway are very simple. All you have to do is sub to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram at LongHairPrettyNails, and comment that you entered with your Instagram username. This giveaway will run for 7 days, so it'll end next Friday, and I will announce the winner in my following video. And don't worry, if you guys entered my last giveaway, that is still going on and will end tonight, and I will announce the winner in my next video for that one. I know some of you guys don't have Instagram and want to know why I do that, but there is no way for me to contact the winner on YouTube. There's no messaging system. I prefer to contact the winner because, I can't verify if it's the actual winner that, contacts me if I just say, hey, just email me or whatever. So Instagram DM is just a more secure way for me to contact the winner and just to make sure that that is the person that is getting the prize. So I'm sorry, I know it may be a little inconvenience to some of you, but these are the rules and Instagram is free. All right, so this is after the nails have been filed, shaped, and buffed. And of course, I'm going to put some bling on. So I like to adhere my crystals with a combination of Poochie's Nails, bling gel, and top coat. Oh, and this is what's on my other hand. These are my Starbucks inspired pink drink nails, and I love this set. I will link it down below if you guys haven't seen it yet. So first thing I do is apply the bling gel, and then I apply the top coat over that, and then I apply my crystals. All right, so after doing my final care, I'm just gonna go in with some cuticle oil. And here is the finished look. I love the bling and the nude combination. These nails are so pretty and shiny and blingy, just how I like it. And they go perfectly with my holographic Air Force Ones. But yeah, these are so dope. So if you guys are interested in the Melody Susie nail drill and lamp, they are both of great quality. So if you guys are looking for a good quality nail lamp and drill, head over to Amazon. I will leave that information down below.
This is the outro to the Long Hair Pretty Nail Show. Yeah.